Welcome back to Color Vistas. If you're looking for a fun, practical, and customizable project, Sublimation on Koozies is the perfect choice. Whether it's for weddings, events, small businesses, or personal use, sublimated koozies make stylish and functional accessories. Today, we'll walk through everything you need to know about sublimating on koozies, from choosing the right materials to achieving vibrant, durable designs. Let's get started. Sublimation on koozies is popular because it combines functionality with a personal touch. Koozies are designed to keep beverages cool, but they're also a great canvas for showcasing designs, logos, or messages. To ensure the best results, you'll need koozies specifically made for sublimation. These are typically crafted from polyester fabric, which is essential for the sublimation ink to bond properly. Avoid cotton or other natural materials, as the ink won't transfer effectively. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need sublimation-ready koozies, sublimation ink, sublimation paper, a heat press, and heat-resistant tape. Pre-assembled koozies are widely available, but you can also find flat, unassembled koozies, which are easier to sublimate because they lie flat under the press. If you're new to sublimating koozies, starting with the flat ones is a great way to ensure a smooth process. The first step is creating your design. Since koozies have a small, rectangular surface, bold and simple designs work best. Text, logos, patterns, and even small graphics are great choices. Use design software like Photoshop, Canva, or Illustrator to create or edit your artwork. Remember to measure the dimensions of your koozie and scale your design accordingly. Don't forget to mirror your design before printing, especially if it includes text. This ensures that your design appears correctly after transfer. Once your design is ready, print it onto sublimation paper using sublimation ink. For the best results, set your printer to the highest quality setting and let the print dry completely before handling it. While your design dries, prepare your koozie. If it's unassembled, lay it flat on a heat-resistant surface. For pre-assembled koozies, ensure the fabric is smooth and wrinkle-free. A quick press with a heat press at a low temperature can help remove creases. Position the printed sublimation paper face down on the koozie, aligning the design carefully. Use heat-resistant tape to secure the paper in place, ensuring it doesn't move during the transfer process. For sublimating koozies, a flat heat press is ideal. Set your heat press to approximately 325 to 400, depending on the manufacturer's recommendations for your sublimation ink and paper. Place the koozie with the sublimation paper on top into the heat press. Cover it with a protective sheet, such as Teflon or parchment paper, to protect the press from ink transfer. Apply firm, even pressure for about 60 seconds. This allows the sublimation ink to turn into gas and bond with the polyester fibers of the koozie, creating a vibrant and durable design. Once the timer goes off, carefully remove the koozie from the heat press. It will be hot, so use heat-resistant gloves. Let it cool slightly before peeling back the sublimation paper to reveal your design. If everything went smoothly, you'll see a crisp, vibrant print perfectly transferred onto the koozie. Check for any imperfections, and if necessary, adjust your technique for future projects. Sublimation on koozies is a versatile and rewarding project. For personal use, you can create custom koozies for special occasions like weddings, birthdays, or holidays. Businesses can use sublimated koozies for branding and promotional giveaways, adding logos, slogans, or contact information. They're also a great addition to online shops, offering unique designs for different themes or seasons. If you're looking to take your creativity further, consider experimenting with full wrap designs or layered patterns. You can also create sets of matching koozies for events, such as bachelorette parties or family reunions. For bulk orders or large events, sublimated koozies are cost-effective and easy to produce in batches. When it comes to caring for sublimated koozies, they're durable and designed to last. The sublimation process embeds the ink into the fabric, making the design resistant to fading and peeling. To maintain their appearance, hand wash the koozies with mild soap and cold water. Avoid using harsh chemicals or bleach, as these can damage the fabric and design. Sublimating on koozies is an excellent project for beginners and experienced crafters alike. They're quick and easy to make, and their compact size makes them a low-risk way to practice sublimation techniques. Whether you're creating for fun, gifts, or business, koozies offer endless opportunities for creativity and customization. And there you have it, a complete guide to sublimating on koozies. These stylish and functional accessories are perfect for personalizing and make great gifts or promotional items. With the right materials and techniques, you can create stunning, professional quality koozies that are sure to impress. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check the description for links to recommended sublimation products and other helpful resources where applicable. Visit my website for more guides and inspiration on sublimation. Link is in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your favorite koozie designs in the comments. See you in the next video.